What's up everyone, we have the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, and as always, ROG has killed it with their clean, futuristic packaging. Before we get into the main box, we gotta mention the devil case we got here, which was made with the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate in mind. So the devil case has excellent feedback, it has anti-yellowing because it is a clear and glossy case, and also has double protection and is impact resistant, so this will come in handy to protect your phone. ROG has also sent us an antibacterial screen protector, which we will be using later on, so let's put it aside and just get straight into the box. It looks extremely sleek and futuristic, and it has a delta shape to it, and ooh, this clamp is magnetized and it just shows the phone, I think, but there's definitely more to this that meets the eye, so we'll check it out later on. I know for sure ROG loves doing this thing with their packaging where it's interactive, so we'll get back to this later on. Okay, so let's just get straight into the main box. So let's open it up, and there is another box inside with the ROG logo. Let's see what's inside this one. And it's the phone case that comes with the phone. So if you don't have one at launch, at least ROG has you covered and has you protected. And now under that, there is the main phone. It's a bit deep inside the packaging. Let's just take it out, and ooh, it looks so chic and clean. Alright, so let's just rip off the packaging and look at how the back looks like. And yeah, that looks amazing. Look at the embossed ROG logo at the bottom real quick. It feels really sleek and it feels damn good in hand. Besides its chic, futuristic looking design, it also has its cameras, about 4 of them, and its different ports. So let's just put this aside first and check out what else is inside the box. We have some cables inside here. They are USB-C to USB-C. We also have a 65-watt charging head inside the box. And hidden at the top is, oh yeah, we have some more stuff inside here. Looks like we have what appears to be a pouch. Yeah, so it is a pouch, and there's something in the back as well, so let's just take that out. I believe that is the AeroActive 7 Cooler. There shouldn't be anything else inside the box, so let's just check out these 2 packs. So we have the pouch for the cooler, and we have the AeroActive 7 Cooler inside this pack down here. So it is a very comprehensive package that we have for the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. And yeah, the cooler fits in the pouch perfectly. We have the devil case in hand, and we are going to be trying all the cases. So for the devil case, it fits in very snugly. It's very sturdy in hand. Yep, it's hella solid. Now let's try the one that comes with the box, and obviously this would fit in perfectly, but I think I might like this one a lot more than the devil case. And that's because I can attach the AeroActive 7 Cooler on while having my phone protected. So on the side, there is a USB-C port meant for the AeroActive Cooler to be attached on, and that's why I love this case, because it was really made for the AeroActive Cooler to be clamped on securely. Before we get into it, this channel is supported by brands who help us improve our content and keep us going. So stay around for this sponsored message.
If you're looking for a laptop that does it all, gaming, streaming and content creation, then look no further than the ROG Zephyrus M16. The first 16-inch laptop with an anime matrix LED array, so you can showcase your inner geek to the world. Featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio QHD Pantone validated ROG Nebula display, this display not only looks great but also offers unprecedented performance thanks to its 240Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time. With all that power comes a full width heatsink supported by ROG intelligent cooling with tri-fan technology to keep the laptop cool while intense gaming or heavy workloads. For more details, check out asus.com.
With that out of the way, let's turn the phone on. Also, what we did find out about this magnetic clamp is that it has a bigger role in the unboxing experience with Armory Crate, so let's experience that.
I have a mission for you. I left something at the Maastricht space station. You should know where to find it. It might be a little dangerous, so be careful and good luck.
So that magnetic flap that we got earlier on, that's called a Cyberfly panel. We need to take it out and put it flat as possible on the table and place the phone on it. Alright, so we're gonna align it and it should connect. Alright, it's good. In essence, the Cyberfly panel acts as an interactive controller of sorts that connects to the phone, and you'll be pressing different buttons to activate different things such as setting the destination and taking you off the ship for the minigame later on. Now back to Armory Crate. The cool thing that it does is that it categorizes games based on their supported refresh rates with air triggers, and we're going to be gaming with this in our gaming test, so if you want to check that out, you can check the link in the top right. On the console page, you can see the different modes and measurements for temperature, CPU usage, memory usage, and so much more. And you can also access the different modes that the phone has available for you, such as X Mode Plus, Dynamic Mode, and Ultra Durable Mode. So now activating different modes will affect your phone in different ways. So let's try X Mode and try hitting apply. It will affect the phone and how it looks like, so let's just do that. As you can see, the AeroActive Cooler now has a different RGB pattern according to the mode that you have applied. So going back to dynamic mode and applying it, the AeroActive Cooler doesn't have its RGB pattern anymore. Let's remove the AeroActive Cooler for a bit, and I hope you saw that the hatch was open. So that hatch is called the AeroActive Bottle, which helps to effectively cool the phone with the AeroActive Cooler. Pretty interesting features ROG has put on this phone so far. We also have ROG Vision back on the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Reminiscent of the 6 Pro, you can change up the animations to the ones you like that ROG currently has, and they'll flash beautifully on that POMOLED display on the back of the phone. And man, this is just one cool ass looking phone. Let's try out its main camera. It is a Sony 50 megapixel IMX766 camera. So if you look really closely, you would find that this camera is actually pretty alright, and it's pretty damn fast. You can get ultra wide on the camera as well, and it has real-time distortion correction, and you have a bunch of options for flash, HDR, and the video quality goes up to like what, 4K 60 FPS? So this is overall a huge improvement over the ROG Phone 6 already. And of course, there is a selfie cam. So here's Zaki looking good.
Ah, wow, so cool, nice. There we go.
Now, the beautiful display has a refresh rate that can go all the way up to 165Hz, but only on dynamic mode and not on X mode, because X mode caps it off at 144Hz. The Game Genie on this lets you monitor refresh rate, the phone's performance, and enable do not disturb modes such as no calls or no alerts. On top of cooling modes and control mapping, there are a lot of options that you can access by swiping on the top left or top right corners of the screen. Mapping air triggers is pretty simple. Just enable it through the Game Genie and slide the right and left trigger circles onto your desired buttons. Besides the air triggers, there are even buttons on the AeroActive Cooler that you can map out with the phone. There are 4 more triggers, the right and left buttons and the right and left triggers. Essentially, you can combine the cooler triggers together with the air triggers to have 6 triggers in total. It's definitely going to take some getting used to, but once you do get a hang of it, you will tear the lobby up.
It's up to you, UAV spotted.
So that's all there is for a quick hands-on impression of the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. If you have any questions about it, leave in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It goes a long way. Don't forget to follow us on all of our socials to keep up with the latest news we put out. You know what? We've had a blast playing with the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate with its air triggers and having its cooler on the back. This has been an amazing experience. If you want more from us, check this out.